ये पॉप साउंड कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं है, ये प्रूफ है हाइड्रोजन गैस के प्रेजेंट होने का। स्टूडेंट्स, हाइड्रोजन एक ऑर्डरलेस, कलरलेस और हाईली इनफ्लेमेबल गैस है जो बहुत जल्दी फायर कैच करती है। अब लैब में अगर आपको हाइड्रोजन गैस चाहिए, कैसे प्रिपेयर करोगे? सिंपल है, you will take a metal, for example zinc, and you will add it to acid, for example HCl. So bubbles will start coming out which are colorless and odorless. Now you have to keep your thumb over the test tube so that you can trap the gas which is forming inside the test tube. Now after this, what you are supposed to do, just bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. The moment you will bring the burning matchstick, it will start burning with a pop sound and immediately it will extinguish off. Just see the pop sound. If this pop sound is coming, this confirms that hydrogen gas is present. Otherwise, it is not present. This hydrogen reacts with oxygen of the air and gives this pop sound. Now, these are the short notes of this hydrogen gas test. If this question comes in a board exam, you can write it as it is in the form of these short notes, that how to prepare it in the lab, how to test it, what is the proof that hydrogen is present, along with both the reactions involved. They are there in these notes. You can just learn them and copy them. Okay, so subscribe for more science fun. CBSE Science with Astha. Stay tuned.